Hey guys, I'm on location at the Forest at Baileys Glen. The Addison model, this is for sale, in fact, the model home, right? We're right down the street from the original Baileys Glen, which they do have resales in there, but hey, why buy resale when you could buy something new? Got some great models. This is a cool builder. South Creek Construction made it through the bust, so it's got to be something great to say about them there, right? And they just kept on, had a lot of activity in 2012 as everything was heating back up. 2013 and so on. The rest is history. So going to be maybe a couple hundred lots in here. First of all, look at that porch, right? Now, how does it work? Have you ever walked into a model home and said, man, I want it just like this? Well, this one is really maxed out, guys. And this one is for sale at right about $645-ish. And it is called the Addison, and it's here at the Forest at Baileys Glen and Cornelius on the north side of Charlotte. First of all, they maxed out everything, right? Everything in this one. And I'll point it out to you as we go. 10-foot ceilings right here, and then 8-foot doors. And this has got a pass-through door, which Jackie has already passed through. Right, Jack? He's a real estate dog. What are you going to do? Now, if you're a subscriber to my channel, you know I love spaces like that, where you walk in, there's a space there. And by the way, if you're not a subscriber, why don't you go ahead and take care of business and help us hit 7,000 subscribers this month. Look at that, right? Not only box, you know, coffered, but look at the vault on that. It's just magnificent. Now, this particular one, the way it works on a leaseback of a model, again, people walk into a model and they say, I want it just like that, and yet it can cost you. And there are things that, even though this builder will do a number of custom things, if you said you wanted it just like this and you wanted to build it, you're probably still going to pay in the mid-600s anyway, so why not just buy this one, especially if you are maybe 2 years out. So the way it works, wow, this is just ridiculous. This is so cool. It's luxurious is what it is. And what they'll do, we'll close on this house, say in 30, 45 days. And see the big rolling wall of glass? Jack, let's go outside and see what this thing looks like. See what this puppy looks like out here. You want to do it? Let's go. So big rolling wall of glass. First thing I notice is there's a pergola right here. Now, who does that, right? Well, they have done it here at the Forest at Baileys Glen. And they've got travertine, luxurious material right out here. So they've got a covered, you know, pergola basically with slats, and then they've got what I would call like a grilling deck, but they've got Adirondack chairs. So if you in fact bought this house, they will lease it back from you for 2-3 years till they get this subdivision built out. Jack, let's go. Atta boy. And so what I want to encourage you to think about is giving me a call at 704-345-3400. And, you know, maybe you've got some money that you want to put somewhere secure like real estate. I think real estate's secure. People with money own real estate typically. And especially if you're planning to move, say, in 2 years. 2 to 3 years, if that's your time frame, go ahead and maximize it out. Now typically, and I'm not a finance guy, I'm a real estate guy, but you know, if you're buying this as an investment, typically you're going to be putting at least 20% down. Oh wow. You know, things, I'm not calling them little things. It's beautiful, right? Gourmet kitchen, look at that. But things like not only a 42-inch cabinet, but look at that level of mold up there. I mean, that molding is just lovely. Everything about this is lovely, and that's how the builders do it. As I've been saying a lot lately, that's how they get you, right? All the bells and whistles. So if you wanted to build one of these and not have all the bells and whistles, then let's get one priced out for you. And the way it works is they're willing to pay our fee as buyer's agents. They're willing to compensate us to serve you. So you've got not only 10-foot ceiling, but it looks like you're traying up instead of down. In fact, you are. Wow, just light, bright, airy. So my cell number is 704-345-3400, and I would love to be your agent. Actually, my team of agents are qualified and ready to help you in the purchase of your next home. This is a 55-plus neighborhood, and on the north side of Charlotte, in a great little area called Cornelius. So you've got Cornelius, Davidson, Huntersville, kind of a trifecta away. Wow, lovely. Again, 8-foot doors, you can't beat that, right? Linen closet, I'm sure. Really beautiful shower with frameless and a rain head up. It's lovely. Just so many reasons to love that. Things like that middle cabinet right there. Think about that. And these cabinets on top of the sinks going all the way up. Yeah. They really know how to do it, don't they? So guys, again, a Baileys Glen, it could be for you. And I'm going to have a video with some lots that are available right now. And we will have that available for you to see. It's just everything is fabulous about this Addison plan, but they've got a number of plans, so you're not limited at all to the Addison. Now let's go see some more bedroom stuff. Now who does a farmhouse sink in a bathroom? Yeah, that's what they did here at the Forest at Baileys Glen. Wow, just lovely. I know I'm going on and on, but you know, that's what they really, that's how they get you. They put everything, all the bells and whistles in so that you'll go, ooh, ah, right? That's what we're doing right now. Garage here on the left. Ooh, ah. So I love this. Pass through. Nice. So I don't know how you would use this space, but I would sure love to hear from you at 704-345-3400. And if you're not subscribed, please take care of business there. Like this, share this, and even better yet, give me a call at 704-345-3400.